Dreaming of starting a new career in Canada? You're not alone. Many Nigerians see Canada as a land of opportunity, offering a diverse and thriving job market. But before you can pack your bags and head to the Great White North, you need to secure a work permit. Let's break down the steps to make this dream a reality. What is a Canada Work Permit? A Canada Work Permit is an official document allowing foreigners to work in Canada for a specific period. Issued by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, this permit is crucial for anyone seeking employment in the country. There are two main types of work permits: employer-specific and open. Employer-specific permits tie you to one employer, while open permits offer the flexibility to work for any employer in Canada, with a few exceptions. Who is eligible for a Canada Work Permit? To obtain a work permit, you need to meet specific eligibility criteria. First, you need a job offer from a Canadian employer. This offer must be for a full-time position that aligns with Canadian labor standards. Most job offers require a labor market impact assessment, or LMIA, which shows that hiring a foreign worker won't negatively impact the Canadian labor market. Essential documentation. Next, gather the necessary documents. You need a valid passport, proof of identity, and evidence of financial stability to support yourself and any accompanying family members. You may also need to undergo a medical examination and provide a police clearance certificate to prove you have no criminal record. Financial requirements and cost. Be prepared for the financial aspect of your application. As of recent time, the application fee for a standard work permit is around CAD $200, with additional fees for biometrics, medical exams, and police certificates. For an open work permit, an extra $100 fee applies, bringing the total to $255. Proper financial preparation ensures a smoother application process. Types of Canada Work Permits. Canada offers various work permits to cater to different employment needs. If you seek flexibility, an open work permit allows you to work with multiple employers without a prior job offer. On the other hand, employer-specific permits are ideal if you have a job offer from a Canadian employer. Fastest ways to get a work permit. Here's how Nigerians can expedite the process of securing a work permit in Canada. 1. Ensure you meet all eligibility criteria. 2. Choose the right type of work permit. 3. Address financial matters promptly. 4. Obtain an LMIA if required. 5. Secure a detailed job offer. 6. Gather all necessary documents. 7. Complete and double-check your application form. 8. Submit your application online. 9. Apply for a temporary work permit through IRCC. Issuance of work permit. Once you arrive in Canada, a Canada Border Services Agency officer will issue your temporary work permit. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting a new chapter in Canada. Keep these tips in mind to increase the likelihood of approval and make your transition as smooth as possible. Embark on your journey with confidence. Your Canadian dream is within reach. Thank you for watching this video by AfroConnect. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and share this video.